Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every week. I'm here with a clothing haul. On this channel, I do all things makeup, beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. In case you guys missed it, ARTIZIA was having their winter sale. It might still be going on, 40 to 60% off of their clothing items. I will be trying all of these pieces on. Let's get started. First off, we have this Babaton coat. I don't know the exact style, but I will link everything down below. It's in this really pretty taupe color. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw this on the website, this definitely looked more like a cream than this like taupey tan, but just be aware that it looks nothing like how it looks on the website. It's cut super flattering. It does run oversized, so you're going to want to get your typical size, and it still has plenty of room for me to wear chunky knit sweaters and layer underneath of this. It has these really nice tortoise buttons. Now, I would never buy this coat full price because it's like $300, and this isn't even real leather. This is made out of polyurethane. About $100 and some change, which I thought was good because the cut of it is still really nice. So this is one of the ways you could style the coat. I literally just have a matching sweatsuit. This one I also got from ARTIZIA. It's in the shade Whisper White. But you throw on a really nice coat over top, throw on a cute bag, some accessories. You're literally in the most comfy outfit, but you look so put together. Such a pretty coat, and just like the perfect way to elevate the most boring outfit underneath. Love, love, love. This coat in a really nice green shade that I was so tempted to get, but I was like, okay, I'm not gonna spend over $100 in a green shade. I'm not gonna get my cost per wear out of a green coat. Oh my gosh, I already dirtied this. Why am I such a mess? So I also got this Babaton bodysuit, which I did dirty right here, in this really fun like satin champagne tone. I got this in a size extra small, and when I tell you that this bodysuit completely just sucks you in, quality of the fabric feels really nice, and I feel like this is a type of bodysuit that you could obviously dress up, but you could still wear this casual with like jeans. So this is how that bodysuit looks like on. It literally sucks and smooths everything out so nice. Right now I have it dressed up with these trousers, sparkly heels from Miss Lola, trousers from H&M. I think this bodysuit would look so cute with a black blazer over top of it. So this is a blazer that I thrifted, and this would be just like the perfect way to dress up this bodysuit for dinner with your girlfriends. I feel like you could even get away with wearing this. Maybe swap out the black leather blazer for a black traditional blazer, and boom, it's perfect for like a business work party. And look how cute it looks with a pair of jeans. These jeans are from Abercrombie. They are I'll link them down below. I can't remember the exact style. In the springtime, I think it would look so cute with a pair of jeans and like white chunky sneakers. Or if you want to make it more edgy, you could pair it with these platform black loafers. And then again, throw on like a black blazer or a black leather jacket. And I think that this is such a fun, cute way of styling it. Ooh, with some black sunglasses. So cute. I also got this bodysuit from Babaton. I have not tried it on yet. It is in a size small. It's in this really pretty burnt orange color, which I thought would be great for the winter time. And I could also get away with this color in the fall time. It has this really fun detail here of like a little cutout. This is how that Babaton cutout top looks like on. I love this, and I love this color. So I initially envisioned this top with black leather pants. However, I couldn't find my black leather pants. So I also think it would look great with tan leather pants or just tan pants in general. These pants are from Zara, and then I just have them with sneakers to kind of dress it down a little bit. But I love this top. I think it is so cute and so flattering and surprisingly like very comfortable. It is a fitted top, but since it's so stretchy. This next top I got is from Sunday's Best. Really pretty corset style long sleeve top. It has a square neck, kind of taper in. I find that it makes a more flattering silhouette here so that the shoulders don't look so harsh. It zips up in the center, and I love that the zipper is the same color as the top. I actually initially got it in this green color, and then I loved the style and the fit so much that I got it in black, and then I also got it in white. The green I got in a size extra small, and I felt like the arms were a little bit constricting. So when I ordered the other shades, I got them in a size small. The difference in size between the extra small and the small was dramatic. This green color I thought would be so fun to wear in the springtime. I thought that this is a cute top that I could wear with jeans, trousers, even sweatpants. I think that would be like such a cute combination. I also love how it tapers in right here, so it creates a really nice silhouette at the waist. This is how that black Sunday Best corset top looks like on, and I love this detailing here, how it tapers, and then it kind of comes up in the back a little bit. The white size small is so much bigger than the black size small. This one fits exactly how I want it. It's perfect, but for whatever reason, I guess the white runs a little bit big. I think this black top would look so pretty with an all black outfit. You could wear it with like black leather trousers. I can't find mine anywhere. Right now I have it just paired with those same Zara trousers and these sneakers. But how I really wanted to style it was to have just a cute top like this where I could throw it on with jeans, not even think about it, and it's just like a cute outfit. Simple, have a nice coat over top, good to go out the door. See how cute this is? It's such a good basic outfit. If I didn't know what to wear, I would literally throw on my favorite pair of jeans, which are these Abercrombie ones at the moment, and a top like this. And then with the coat, look how easy of an outfit that is. I look so put together. Look how cute and comfy of an outfit this is. I have them paired with my Target sweatpants and these shoes from Miss Lola. This just looks so cute with sweats. I love it. Dressy on the top, casual on the bottom. Ooh, and I could throw on that coat too. Look at this outfit with a nice little black leather bag, some black sunglasses. Another Babaton piece. I got this really pretty dark teal blue tank. The ribbing is vertical up here, and then it has this little part here that goes horizontal. And I feel like that just cinches perfectly right at like the center of the waist. I just thought that this would be a great basic to have for the springtime, for the summertime, and even in the wintertime, because it is a thick tank, and then I could just layer a cardigan or a sweater or something over top of it. It's just a really good quality basic that's gonna look really nice. It's gonna feel really nice and comfy. And I like that it's a nice thick material. All right, and this is that Babaton muscle tank. I love the fit of this top. And now I just have it paired with sweatpants. So literally it's just a basic tank top. So I could wear this with shorts in the springtime. I could wear this with trousers. I think this color blue is very flattering, but also still very wearable. And you could wear it with a ton of different shades and colors. For example, I think it would complement against like some cognac leather pants, like these ones really nice. That would be a cute outfit. This with some like white sneakers. Very cute spring slash like end of winter outfit. I'm talking about spring as if it's around the corner, and like we haven't even finished January yet. But like I mentioned earlier, this is a great basic to layer underneath of leather jackets, jean jackets. So I think that this would also be a very cute outfit. Again, with that same leather blazer I had on earlier. These sweatpants from Target. Such a simple, easy outfit, but elevated, but comfy. I'm telling you, I think I'm just obsessed with the Babaton line, because there wasn't one piece of clothing that I got from the Babaton line that I did not absolutely love the cut, the fit, the material. These are the Babaton agency pants. You guys, these pants are originally like $150. I think I got them for $70, maybe $60. But when I tell you the quality of these pants and the cut and the fit is just perfection, I'm not exaggerating. I wish that I was, because even $70 and $60 is not that cheap. But I just knew that a pair of pants like this, if the cut and fit is nice, I would get so much of my cost per wear out of them. I got them in this really nice kind of olive green tone, and I could even wear this with like the green top. It would be a bit much, but I think it would be fun. It'd be a fun way to experiment. Slightly pleated in the center. They have belt loops, and then this is what the back looks like. I love how the buttons match the pant exactly. Even if you're at Forever 21, I find that if like the buttons match the shirt exactly, or the zipper does, those are little details that will make a $10 pair of pants or top look way more expensive. I'm typically a size 2 in pants, but I got these in a size 0, and they fit, when I tell you perfectly, they fit perfectly. I wanted to go for a slightly baggy look at the bottom, but I hate when I have that baggy look but then my butt just looks soggy and gross. This literally like cinches at the waist perfectly. It fits the hips and the butt perfectly. Then I still have some movement at that bottom to get away with that more like casual slouchy look, but it's also not overly slouchy, so I could get away with dressing these up some more. And this is that green top I was showing you earlier. I love the color of this top. I just wish it was slightly bigger. It doesn't feel uncomfortable because it stretches out as you wear it, but I definitely like the fit of the black one a little bit more. Anyways, what I really want to show you guys, the pants. The fit is actual perfection, like the perfect length, perfect amount of tightness around the hips and the waist without being too tight. I thought that this would be a fun way to style the pants with this lime green top, but it wouldn't be my first choice. Actually, I want to show you guys how it looks with the, I think with a white tee it would look the cutest, but you get the idea. Like a white top, these pants, some white sneakers, a really cute springtime outfit that's kind of dressy and casual at the same time. And while we're here, this is that white top I was telling you about. See how it's just like a little bit frumpy? It's just something about the sleeve and like extra fabric here. But the pants, 10 out of 10. I love getting the TNA matching sets from ARTIZIA, getting the sweatpants, the sweatshirts. I love the quality of the fabric and how it feels. I love the cut of it. Anyways, I have all their sets in a neutral color, and I thought that this yellow color would be so pretty. This is in lemon tart yellow, and I thought that this would be the perfect spring set. First off, I love these crop boyfriend hoodies. Like, they're just so cute. I could wear it open with a tank underneath or completely zipped up. And then to go with it, I got the TNA sweat fleece, cozy fleece pants. That's a lot of names. Anyways, they're just like their basic sweatpants. I do feel like these run big. I got these in a size small and the waist was very loose. So if you want it to like fit your waist a little bit more snug, maybe size down in these. But all in all, they're just like super comfy to wear around the house. Material inside is super cozy, but I like these because they're not overly thick, so it'll be a really nice sweatpant to wear in the springtime. And they also had the matching sweat shorts available, so I figured these would be great to have in the summertime. Super soft material and it's not too thick. This is how the yellow matching set looks like on. These are the sweatpants. This set gives me flashbacks because I vividly remember my sister and I having a matching yellow sweatsuit. I had to have maybe been like 4 or 5. Instant nostalgia. This is the cutest set for running errands. A great springtime airport outfit too. And these are the shorts. Oh, I'm gonna get so much use out of these in the spring and summer. They are the perfect fit. Not too long, not too short, not too tight, not too loose. And I got the shorts in a size small, and as you can see, the band fits the waist perfectly. Also, I love you guys to death, but I did not shave my legs for this video, so disregard that. Next up, I got this stunning dress. It doesn't look that pretty on the hanger, but when it's on, I love the fit of this dress more than I loved the fit of my wedding dress. I've never been more in love with the silhouette of a dress. It is so flowy, but fitting in the right areas. This is truly the perfect summer dress. This is in the shade Whipped Butter, and as you can see, it's a really pretty light pastel yellow. It has this little tie front detailing and ruching. It's made out of that like thin flowy material, but it's double lined and it's still like a thicker version of that material, so it doesn't look cheap or super like flimsy on. I don't know if you can see, they still kept that silhouette in the fabric lining, so like it does come slightly further out at the hips and then tapers in and flows. And this is how that dress looks like on. Like I was explaining earlier, perfectly flowy, but it still like hugs the curves and all that. Really nice, but without being like too tight or constricting anywhere. It's like the most effortlessly perfect dress, a type of dress that you could dress up with heels, or you could dress it in between with some like heeled sandals, or you could wear it like how I have it on now with just some sneakers. Like I was explaining earlier, the fabric itself comes in and then comes out, which is what makes it such a flattering, flowy dress. So right now I have on these like stretchy spandex like boy shorts underneath of it. I always wear these underneath a dress because it helps smooth out the belly button and just helps everything look a little bit more seamless. But like I just showed you, they're black and you cannot see through this dress at all, which is very, very nice. A lot of times dresses with this material, if they're not double lined, you will see through them, but since this is, it's like truly perfection. Another top from the brand Sunday's Best, meant to be worn crisscrossed here and then over the head. I just thought that this would be a really fun tank for the spring summertime to wear with jeans. I think that the color is super flattering. All the colorful stuff that I had were from Shein, which I no longer shop with Shein because of all those ethical issues. So then with this sale, I figured it would be cool to invest in more colorful pieces where the quality of the fabric is nicer, the fit of the fabric is nicer, and then now I can feel confident wearing colors that flatter me and not have to worry about the clothing and all that looking cheap or falling apart. All that to say, I got this fun purple tank. It was on sale for only $9.99. This is how that halter top looks like on. It fits so cute. And you could also get away with wearing it as a regular halter top. It would just be like more of an open cut around here. I personally love a good crisscross detailing. Right now I just have it paired with these tan trousers. I think it would look a little bit better if these trousers weren't such a cool tone nude. I have a pair of linen pants that are in the attic because they're with my summer clothes, and I think that would look really cute with this top. This would also be the perfect cute top and jeans outfit with either some sandals or some white chunky sneakers, or even with black leather pants as like a summer night outfit. This is just such a cute top to have, and the color is so pretty. We got another Babaton. This looks red in the camera right now, but it's actually a really pretty deep pink. It looks super red in the viewfinder. I have the same exact dress in black. I love it so much and I've worn it so much since I've gotten it. The silhouette of it is nice and you can dress it up or dress it down. So I thought it would be nice to get it in this pink color because I've been really into pinks lately. I could put a cardigan over top of it, more casual, or I could put a blazer over top of it to dress it up. My favorite thing about these dresses is the silhouette of it. You see how it just naturally comes out, so it really just cinches everything in, fits all the curves perfectly. And then what I love even more about this is that it's super thick, so it smooths everything out. You won't see all the lumps, bumps, and crevices. All right, and this is how that Babaton dress looks like on. I think that this dress is so cute. My only thing with it is I hate how short it is. I thought by getting a small it would come down a little bit further, but it is still pretty short. But I think as like an evening dress, if you're not gonna be like running around a bunch, I think that it is still very pretty. So right now I have it dressed down with my white sneakers, but this is such a simple dress that you could dress it up with some sparkly heels, you could dress it up with some booties. Then I quickly just have like 3 things from Urban Outfitters that I wanted to share. This is pink and it looks red in the viewfinder. I'm gonna have to show you in natural lighting because it is like a really pretty, like a hot magenta pink. Again, I like how it has the matching buttons, chunky sweater. The sleeves are super slouchy and a slight balloon sleeve. And I figured this would be the perfect cardigan to have in the springtime. I could wear a basic top and jeans and throw this over top and it would keep me warm if it's chilly out, but then the color still screams very much spring. I just thought that this would be such a fun piece to have in my wardrobe that I could style so many different ways. And lastly, I had to share these slip dresses that I got from Urban Outfitters. This pink one I've had for a while. I actually wore this on my birthday. The cut and the fit of this dress was so pretty that I had to get it in black too, and I also kind of want to get it in a champagne color, but I'm gonna stop because I literally don't go anywhere I don't need another dress. If you're gonna choose between the two, I would definitely recommend doing at least the black because there's just a million and one different ways that you could wear a black slip dress like this. What's so pretty about this dress comes to a really nice length. It's not too short, not too long. It also has like that perfect flowiness to it, but still form-fitting enough to where like it hugs your curves exactly where you want them without it being over accentuated. So because of that, you're able to dress this down, or you could also go super dressy. I could wear it with that cardigan that I'll show you guys earlier. To me, this would look cute with the chunky white sneakers, and I feel like this would be such a cute way of dressing it down. You could even button up the cardigan. Still picking up red, but it is so cozy, super comfy. I got it in a size medium, but I will say it most definitely already runs oversized because look how long the sleeves are. Maybe get your regular size if you want it to be oversized but not too big. Oh my gosh, this would be such a cute Valentine's Day outfit. Another way that you could style this dress, I have it paired with that same cardigan, these sparkly heels. I love wearing it this way is with that same black leather blazer. I thrifted this black leather blazer maybe back in October, and it's probably my most worn clothing item. It just goes with everything. But you see how cute of an outfit this is? I love pairing something edgy like this with like a very satin, soft, pretty fabric. And then the sparkly shoes just add a whole other texture and element to the outfit. And alright you guys, that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'll do my best to link everything down below. If you want to see more content from me, definitely consider subscribing. Interact with this video, leave a comment down below. It really helps me out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!